Welcome everyone. This is Tokpa here, and yeah, welcome to another series of my trade recap. Last week I didn't really do much on the market because the market was kind of slow, so I took only three trades last week, and I had one break even and two wins. So let's just get to it. So let's start from the break even trade, which was the code that I took on Monday. I took this particular trade on gold on Monday. This particular trade, I took it on Monday on gold, and the reason why I took this trade is that this right here was responsible for, we had a break of structure here. That was an OB. We had a break of structure here, and we had another, like, we keep having break of structure to the downside, indicating that the market is currently going up. And I have, even though like I'm bearish on gold generally, I'm bearish entering this week because I know that gold was going to sell. I was looking for price to come into this other block right here to sell from here. So when we started having a market structure shift coming to the upside, this was last week Friday close. So when market opened on Monday, I mark out this point of interest. And when during London, this I had confirmation around there, had the bullish engulfing confirmation around there, and I took this trade. So taking this trade, and price was consolidating, and I think it gave us like a 1 to 2, and I took the trade live, gave us a 1 to 2, and I broke even. So when the next day opened, the market just stopped us at break even. So that was the break even trade. We had a break of structure. I was looking for price to come here, and all this price action was like my inducement. This is the liquidity, and when price came here, I don't take any trade without confirmation, and I used the bullish engulfing confirmation, and yeah, this was the first trade. And the second trade, I think it was USD Yeah, it was USD. So this is the trade on the second trade. And basically, I have this area that I'm also looking for price to get to. This other block on the higher time frame that I'm looking for price to get to. And you can see the market is in an uptrend. So obviously, we are looking to buy to price get here. So when we have a break of structure, this particular break of structure, when we have this particular break of structure, and we had this price action right here as the inducement for this other block right here that was responsible for breaking structure to the upside, right? So after we have this retracement, and this was this in my structural liquidity to trigger this particular other block pushing price to the upside, I have morning star confirmation inside here. And after the morning star, I entered, and the trade kind of actually played with us. And I also took this trade live. All the trade that I took this week were live. So the trade kind of played with us. It was a 1 to 3.5, but it was consolidating a lot. It came like a 1 to 1, came like a 1 to 2, came back to the same entry. But so it was consolidating a lot. And yeah, eventually it got to our TP the next day. So that's the second trade. And the third trade was on, I think, GBP. So I had a buy. Okay, so I had this buy on GBP, and we have this break of structure here to the external side, and the price was obviously bullish. We have a break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside, and this was my structural liquidity inducement for this particular area. So after we take out this high, you see the market was coming in a trend line way. So that's a trend line inducement, also trend line liquidity also. So I have this particular point of interest marked out. So after I have that particular price marked out, we're waiting, and I have what you call a bullish engulfing confirmation. That was the one that I used, and I got into this trade targeting a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And after market gave us a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, just start reversing. So that was this was where the trade that I took, two TPs and one break even. So to take this trade with me, and follow me on TikTok. And every time I stream, I take this kind of trade. And if you want to join my mentorship or you want to join my Signal group, send me a DM. Yeah. So see you guys on the next video, man. Peace out.